I'm in search of Wright's Deli cake. Is there any in there? I mean no harm. Just give me all the cake you have in your fridge. Hey, Mom. How are you? We're about to go walk. Just, your favorite daughter, continuing to be the best daughter.
Hey, Mom, it's not what it looks like. I know I have a milkshake in my hand, but I totally forgot about the pack that we made. But hopefully you're asleep, so you'll never even know it was here until you see this video. What's this?
It's just don't wait.
I just heard your break of the Ring doorbell. It was great.
I would like a number 1 with waffle fries and a lemonade.
With mayonnaise?
A lemonade.
That'd be $7.93. Pull around. My pleasure.
Okay, do you take Apple Pay?
I do take Apple Pay.
Okay, thank you. I'll pour it.
What? No, I'm just talking to Mom.
This is okay.
Wow.